In this video, I'm going to show you how to add pages to your navigation structure and organize your menu. So first, go to Website Builder, then click Navigation. Now you'll be able to organize your menu and add pages. We already have a basic navigation structure. We can add a custom link. So any external link that you want to add to your menu, this will be the place. So let's go ahead and add an example. We're going to use the IDX Boost page. We add the link, and now we name our section. We have Website Builder with our home pages. Then we have the content pages, the theme section, contact page, properties. Then we have the IDX filters, my listings, map search filters, display filters, my buildings, and advanced search. So let's go ahead and add the theme page for our example. Add to menu. Now we have the IDX Boost external link and the theme page. We're gonna move the IDX Boost link under contact and the theme page under about. Now we can define our structure. So we're gonna use the home page first, then search, exclusive listings, about, contact, and under contact is gonna be the external link. We're gonna save. Don't forget to save, synchronize. Now you can go back to your home page and preview your menu, your navigation structure. And if you're not satisfied and you want to edit, you can come back to this page and do any edits to your structure at any time. Just don't forget to save and synchronize.